Our social science, our pride. Karnataka class. Welcome to all SLC students to my short social science video class. In this video class, we study about 1 mark MCQ from history, chapter number 8, era of Gandhi and national movement. This lesson examination point of view very important. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 4 ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ OMR ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ with answer only, but in question paper each question carries, there are 4 choices are there. Okay, let us come. First one, look here. Gandhiji was born in dash. Answer, Porbandar in 1869 October 2nd or 2nd October. You know very well about every year 2nd October we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi Ji Jayanti or Gandhi Jayanti. It is one of the most important national festival. Second one, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place while protesting against Dash Act. Answer, Rowlatt Act. Third, the movement led by Ali brothers was Dash. Answer, Khilafat movement. Fourth, a separate nation for Muslims was put forward by Dash. Look here, answer, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Fifth, the president of Indian National Congress session of 1929 was Dash. Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. 1929 Lahore Congress session, very important, Lahore Congress session. Next, Mahad and Kalaram temple movement was formed by Dash. Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Examination point of view, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, very important. He was first law minister of India and he earned title Bharat Ratna, and he was architect of Indian Constitution, and he organized, he started Swatantra Karmika Party also. Examination point of view, very important. See, next, the leadership of Indian National Army Jhansi Regiment was led by Dash. Answer, Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Next, question number 8. Gandhiji held salt satyagraha at Dash. Answer, Dandi or Dandi Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha. Ninth one, Quit India movement took place in Dash. Answer, 1942 from Mumbai. You know very well the Quit India movement. It is declared by Mahatma Gandhi ji, and he said, do or die. Very important this statement, this quote is very important examination point of view. See, next, 10th, the first round table conference was held in the year Dash. Answer, 1931. 11, Swaraj Party was founded in the year Dash. Answer, 1923. Next, the president of Haripur session of Indian National Congress was Dash. Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Sardar Vallabha Patel Dash is known as the Iron Man of India. Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was called Iron Man of India. He was first Home Minister of India, and he earned title Iron Man of India because he merged and he joined all princely states, about 562 princely states to India. So he earned title Iron Man of India. This great task, difficult task fulfilled by and completed by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So he is called Iron Man of India. Look here, 14th question. Mahatma Gandhi ji opposed the apartheid policy in South Africa at dash. Answer, Natal. 15th, Pune Pact was signed between dash. Answer, Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, 16th question. Dash party started by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das. Answer, Swaraj Party. Next, look here. 17th question here. Subhash Chandra Bose was popularly called dash. Answer, Netaji. Next, dash was started by Subhash Chandra Bose. Forward Bloc. So very important. The topic of Subhash Chandra Bose. Forward Bloc started by Subhash Chandra Bose, and Delhi Chalo called for Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, he was popularly known as Netaji, and he was the most important revolutionary freedom fighter of India. Next, see, very important. Dash said, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Very important. See, Subhash Chandra Bose said, okay, give me blood, I will give freedom. See, next, 20th question. The first law minister of India was dash. Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are all very important. Okay, you should be write down and practice on these question answers, and share this video because ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲಿಯಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಾವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗುಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ SLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಿರೋರು IAS, KAS, SDA ಏನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ SLC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, we will meet in the next class with the next lesson. Okay, God bless you. All the best.